Hey guys, what I got for you today is the Wiha 11-in-1 soft finish multi-driver. These are the German engineered screwdrivers brand, but actually this one right here was made in the USA with global components. It says on here it's got the ergonomic grip for maximum torque, precision machined, the tips for reduced cam out, interchangeable blade system, 8 screwdriver tip profiles, and 3 nut driver sizes. So let's cut this guy out of here and take a look. Cut away from yourself. I have to tell myself that every time. Alright. As you can see, I'm wearing the same shirt in a bunch of videos. It's because I'm busting out a bunch of videos tonight. I've been slacking. Alright. Get this bad boy out of here. Alright. It came with a piece. It did have a piece of plastic over the tip there. Like that. So let's see what all is in it. Let's go ahead and take it out. So that's the handle there for you. Just like most multi-bit screwdrivers, it has the big shaft that goes in and comes out, the blades. Let's take everything out so you can see the double-sided bits. All right, so that's what you get right there, okay? And with the slotted, one thing that's cool about these is on most of, or on some of the multi-bit screwdrivers, you'll have a Phillips on one side and a flathead on the other. This one has a flathead on both sides, just one smaller, one's bigger. So you'll have, same with the Phillips head. Anyways, slotted, you have a 3/16 inch and a 1/4 inch. Phillips, you have the Phillips number 1 and number 2. And then you have the square or the Robbie, number 1 and number 2. Torques, you have the T20 and the T25, and then nut drivers, you have a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and a 3/8 inch. All right, so that's what you get in this package right here, and this is just, you know, as good as any of the other ones. Those actually stay in there, and then that goes in there. You put these in. And then that goes in there. And that goes in like that. So if you want the Phillips head, that one's too big, just flip it over. That's a smaller one on there. And then if you want a flathead, you just have to take this piece out. And then your flatheads are on the other side. If that's too big, just flip it over and you got the other one. And then you have, you take one of these out, you have a 1/4 inch nut driver. And then a 5/16 on one side, and then the other side should be bigger with this 3/8 inch there. So feels like it's got a bigger handle than, a little bit bigger handle than most, but feels good in the hand, and I'm sure it's made high quality, which is made in the USA, even though it's German brand, German engineered. So if you're in the market for a multi-bit screwdriver, the 11-in-1, you can get the Wiha, and you can get these at Lowe's now. Lowe's is selling Wiha brand. I did have a hard time finding this today. I've been there a lot. This is one screwdriver I wanted to check out, and it wasn't where it's supposed to be. I knew where it was supposed to be. There's a little section they have with all the Wiha accessories and stuff. There's a spot for it, but there was never one there. I checked on the app and it kept saying they had like 10 or 20 of them in stock. So I finally asked an employee today. They looked all over the place, finally found it. But hopefully in your store you can find them. But one other feature on here is it's got a flat edge on each side of this, on 4 sides. So when it sits down, stops it from rolling, and it also, your screwdriver bit is not touching the table, which I don't know if that's a big deal, but that's another feature. So yeah, if you're checking these out, I think I got this one for 20 bucks. It is on sale at Lowe's. So if so, run down to Lowe's, check it out. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.